Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the colors name. Green color, purple color, chocolate color, red color, blue color, orange color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Hexagon, circle, pentagon, triangle, heart and star. First we're going to draw the shapes. Hexagon, next circle, next pentagon, next triangle, next heart, next star, now I'm going to put the color. Green color, hexagon, next chocolate color, circle, next purple color, pentagon, next blue color, triangle, next red color, heart, next orange color, star, what we learn? We learn green color, hexagon, chocolate color, circle, purple color, pentagon, blue color, triangle, red color, heart, orange color, star. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.